What's up guys, today I'm gonna teach you about how to recover your Snapchat account without email and phone number. So here, let's try to log into my account. First, the problem here is I forgot my Snapchat password and I don't have email and phone number attached to this account. Here's the steps to recover your Snapchat account and reset your password. Go back to your home page and open any browser. Now go to support.snapchat.com. Now click on Contact Us. Select My Account Login, click that, and now here I choose I forgot my password. So they say that we need to reset ours password, but that is not the solution in our case because we don't have access to ours email and phone number. So what we're going to do is go to We Need More Help. And here, just click Yes here. We are going to contact the Snapchat support.